I'm Andre Johns, founder of Delcour Logistics and Precise Third-Party Logistics Services Company Limited. We are a third-party logistics company focused on warehousing and trucking. So for the trucking aspect of it, we'll be focused on that to give some insight as to why we decided to partner with LIG. Reliability is our commitment, and LIG helps us to focus on that reliability. We want to ensure that we are giving the best service to our clients, while LIG gives us the best service.
Good afternoon, my name is Zeko Cole and I am from the Old Harbour Institution of Arts, and I came here expecting to learn quite a lot and to improve on my skills, which I have, and I assisted in taking off the ISX exhaust manifold and the turbo and a few wire looms and hoses.
Hi, I'm Sean McDonald. It was quite an informative and eye-opening session for me because I have limited knowledge of the heavy-duty equipment, the trucking and parts section of the automotive industry. Looking forward to the completion of this round of training as we move on to the next one, which should be at Automotive Art.
Hi, my name is Peter John Ferguson, the Business Development Manager here at Automotive Art in Jamaica. And this partnership with LIG for Mechanics in Motion was a no-brainer for us. We saw it fit where we could interact with the young generation of mechanics coming up, where we're able to impart knowledge to them about our brands Valvoline and our Automotive Art line of paints.
The name is Silberty, employed to Thompson's Trucking for 5 years. I'm the supervisor who run the operation on a day-to-day basis. LIG has sent some blessing in disguise. We have a team working today where we have seen the youth are hungry to learn, and we are always here to support them in that manner. Thompson's Garage is a place where you can grow from scratch. We can give you hands-on, we can give you a tutorial, understand? We can give you actually everything that you need, whether mechanical, electrical, diagnostic, to help you out in our position where we can't get to reach you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Shanika Martin. I'm a trainee student at Old Harbour BTC. We came here yesterday on a job experience at Thompson's Trucking and Service. I did not expect to learn this much during the 2-day span that we are here. We learned to skim engine block, replace and remove ignition coils. We cleaned the valves, and we did so much more that is beyond telling right now. I have garnered so much that I did not know, and I can use it in the further of my future that I have decided if I want to come and work here or other trucking company. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Peter Thompson from Thompson's Trucking and Repair. We name says it all, we service, we reclaim. It's a good business. You work an honest bread and you have a skill. Key thing, you have a skill to live off of. Alright? Some people think they are dirty money, a dirty business, you know, but they have to say the money dirty too. You understand? I'm like spending dirty money.
Mechanics in training across Jamaica, it's your time to prove that you're the master and win big in cash and prizes. The LIG Mechanics in Motion workshops are over. Since the start of May, aspiring young professionals, automotive lovers, mechanics in training, Jaggers and hard students benefited from educational workshops rooted in trucks, auto maintenance and auto mechanics from LIG and our key sponsors. Automotive Art, Delcour Logistics, Thompson's Trucking, PAI, Dayton Parts, and Valvoline. Now it's the time for our LIG Master Mechanics competition. 6 teams of 4 will go head-to-head in a series of theoretical and practical challenges for the chance to win a grand prize of $350,000 in cash and prizes. And of course, earn the title of the 2025 LIG Master Mechanic. Do you have what it takes? Sign up now by visiting our website at www.louisindustrial.com/mechanicsinmotion. Submissions close off June 3rd. Sign up today.